Hello everyone, Gariman here with another Pixsar Media App tutorial. So in this video, I will be showing you how to actually monetize your events. So I will be taking you through the events creation process, and I'll also show you how to monetize the event. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before you get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe and click on the bell notification button. That way when you release another Make Money online tutorial, you will be notified. Also, don't forget to check out the other Pixsar Media App tutorials that we did previously on the channel. The first tutorial that gave you the introduction to the Pixsar Media App. The second tutorial was for overview of the website, how to navigate it through. And we also did the onboarding process or the sign up process for the B2B, for those who want to make money online, live streaming on the Pixsar Media App. So make sure you check out those videos, and then you can come to this where I show you how to actually create the events and get started. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back to another Pixsar Media App tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get started with creating your events and live streaming to start making money live streaming from the Pixsar Media App. Alright, finally we're there. So this is the event that I already created, but in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create your own event as promised. So let's get started. Something I almost forgot. Once you get to this page for the first time, after the onboarding process, you might be required to sign up or subscribe. This part here, you're going to get the basic one. You can start with the basic one, but you can upgrade later. So once you create your free account, or once your free account has been successfully activated, you can be able to create events like this one, and then let's create one. Alright, so this is how you create your events. First things first, you create the name of the event, and then choose the date. Let's say this event is going to be like, go to John and the 2nd 5th, and then you choose the event type. Notice we have a whole lot of types of events here. We have the birthdays, co-reunion, drama, introduction, corporate presentation, fashion show, education, comedy show, Islamic events, Christian events, and so on. So in our case, we are going to just choose an education event, and you just click on next step. Next is we choose the cover photo for this event, and in my case I already have a photo. In my case I already downloaded the photo. I used the snip and sketch tool to get one. Next is we go to the privacy and the event monetization. So this is where you choose whether the event is going to be a paid event or a free event. So if it's going to be a paid event, you choose the premium event and you choose how much it's going to cost. But in our case, we are going to stick to a private event, which is going to be a free event, and click on create event. So that's the first step for you to create an event in the Pixsar Media app. Now, unfortunately, since we are on the free version of the app, we cannot create any more events. That's why we are going to first delete this event right here. Right, so go through the process again, settings, and then choose education, click next step, choose your cover photo. You can just drag and drop the photo right there. Next step, the monetization, and click on create event. Alright, now that's the first step for you to create an event and go live in the Pixsar Media app. So we have the first step, which is the event. Now we need to upload the content for the event. So once you start the event, you can take some photos and upload your photos right here. Let's say I have a couple of photos. I have that one. I don't have many photos to upload, but just for the example, for the demonstration purposes, I'll just put 3 photos for now. So we talked about AI, and this part here is where the AI comes in. The AI powered editing, it will just create for you a video from these photos. So if we go back to pixsar.io. Now in this video we are looking at the dashboard.pixsar.io. This is the dashboard right now that we are looking at. But if you go back to Pixsar.io, the home page, and you go back to browse events right here, well, unfortunately, I can't access the event right now since I've just deleted it. But there's a quick button for accessing some of the previous events, which will probably not be visible for you depending on the time of the recording of this video. Let's take a look at some example. Okay, so this is the event. We looked at this. This is the event page. Once the event is created, the live video will be right here. Now this is a recording. It was a recording from a live stream right here on the Pixsar Media App. Now the pic snaps is the part where the photos are uploaded, and these photos are used to create videos. Every 30 minutes, the AI will create videos from these pictures that you upload right here. Now, these are the videos that are created, the pics, clips. These are the clips that are generated from the pics or the pictures using AI every 30 minutes. So that's the part of the photos right here. Next is the videos. If you have some videos to upload, that will be also very cool. But right now, I don't. And next is the live stream. This is where I actually do the live streaming, but I'm going to show you this in the next video. And then we have the mini statements where the amount of money made, the customer who sent the gift to you, the date and time, everything is recorded right here. So I think that's it for today's video and how to get started creating your events on the Pixsar Media app, start live streaming and making money online. In the next video, I'll be taking you through how to actually start the live stream and how to connect the OBS studio and how to get the server URL and the stream key from right here and put it into or export it into the OBS studio in order for you to start live streaming. We have looked at creating the event and we have also looked at this wallet. So in the next tutorial, I will be showing you how to go live with our event right here that we have just created. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to leave a like, leave some comments and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the previous Pixsar Media tutorials where I showed you the onboarding, how to sign up and get access to the dashboard. Alright, so in the previous video we looked at the Pixsar.io, which is the main website, but in this video we have been looking at the dashboard.pixsar.io, which includes all the tools that you need to get started live streaming. So again, in the next video I'll show you how to start live streaming. So thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next Pixsar Media tutorial. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how you create your live events on the Pixsar Media app. So I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave some likes, share the video with your friends, leave some comments, and don't forget to subscribe.